This is what you get. You get free access for life. No credit card required. Your free Groovefunnels. This account includes access to all 20 of these powerful apps. You got your groovepages, which compares with ClickFunnels. You got your Groovesale, which compares with Sam's Cart. You got your Groove Affiliate, which compares with Tap Affiliate. You got Groove Mail, which compares to Active Campaign. You got Groove Member, which compares to Kajabi. You got Groove Video, which compares to Vimeo. You got Groove Cart, which compares to Shopify. You got Groove Automations, which compares to Zapier. Proof, which compares to Proofly. You got Groove Blog, which compares to WordPress. You got Groove Desk, which compares to Zendesk. You got Groove Calendar, which compares to Calendly. You got Groove Webinars Live, which compares to Webinar Jam. You got Groove Webinars Automated, which compares to Ever Webinar. You got Groove Streaming, which compares to StreamYard. You got Groove Survey, which compares to Response Suite. You got Groove Quiz, which compares to Lead Quizzes. You got Groove Funnel Mapping, which compares to Funnelytics. You got Groove Pipe CRM, which compares to Pipedrive. You got Groove SDK, which compares to WordPress Developers Kit. That's a lot of stuff that you get with one platform. We are the number one page and funnel building platform, as you can see. 43,122 new members made the switch from you know who in the last 30 days. And now you, because Groovepages and Groovesale are now free. That don't mean free for a limited time. That's free, period. Free for life. Free for life. How can you beat that? And you can sign up, get everything for free. These are the free things you get. Free unlimited products. Free build brand websites with full navigation. Free custom domains. Free bandwidth and hosting. Free to sell products with one-click upsells. Free upsells, downsales, and order bumps. Free access to the most powerful affiliate program. You have a powerful automated behavior-based email marketing. You know what I mean. So, this is what you get. You can't beat it. Get on now while you can.